So yeah, guys, I haven't did a video this week of off-roading or anything because I went to clean out my brakes because I thought I was rock stuck in there, but yeah, the brake pads are completely gone, as you'll see in a second. And also my wheel bearings are getting kind of bad. The tire wobbles every which direction. Thought it was a ball joint or something, but I think it's the wheel bearings, so I'll get those replaced. But yeah, there's the old pads. There's definitely a lot more than rock stuck in there. There's absolutely nothing left. The rotors are a little damaged too on the inside. The outside's not as bad, but those are going to take a few weeks to get in, so I stuck new pads on there. And yeah, just using old rotors for now until I get a wheel bearing and the rotors coming from Amazon. So that's the old pad with the new pad. As you can see, it's nothing but metal, grinded down metal at that. Yeah, I can actually brake now. My rear brakes need to be adjusted too. They're the drum brakes. There's a bunch of mud coated in there. But this pad was the worst. It like just sheared it all to pieces. But I went and picked up some pads. They're overpriced at a part store here, but I didn't want to wait for Amazon because I had no pads. So yeah, there's a new pad with the old pad, and there'll be more videos next week. I also added a couple new lights onto the Jeep. Kev gave them to me. He didn't need them, and I gave him a heater core, so it was kind of a change. And that was my hammock I made when I was drunk. So hope you guys enjoyed the video.